Hi, I'm Atri, and I'm a rising junior at Lipcomb Reading High School. So the project that I chose was the phone-controlled robot arm, and I chose this project because I wanted to explore mechanical engineering more in depth, and also have a chance to do some coding as well. I have some prior experience with basic Arduino programming as well as Python, and I've done some engineering programs at school. So in the end, I was able to effectively assemble my robot and program it using the HC05 Bluetooth module and my mobile device for wireless control. So this is a demonstration of what that looks like, or what operating it looks like. So this is my robot. Um, so first I created a mobile app through an app development website called MIT App Inventor. So here there's a variety of different buttons. So this one scans for Bluetooth devices, and then this one connects, and then there's a variety of different control buttons. So first I have to connect to the HCF5 module. And then once connected, then I can just press buttons and it'll move. So I can turn left and right, I can go forward, I can go backwards as well. I can open and close my claws. Yeah, there's a variety of different things I can do with my wireless control. So yeah, that's what my Bluetooth app looks like. And I also created a PS2 joystick sensor modification, which looks like this is upside down, but it looks like a PS2 controller. So I actually have a separate sketch file for that, which I will upload now. So my joystick sensors function very similar to the app, just with a physical aspect to it. So I can just move it back and forth, and it'll move up and down, open and close the claws. I can move the arm, I can rotate around. So yeah, very easy to control. So overall for my project, I first started with programming a servo motor just to move with an Arduino. This was the first week of my project. I also worked with wiring connections through breadboard and interpreting wiring diagrams. The second week, I then assembled my robot and finished wiring my Arduino with my HC05 Bluetooth module, as well as the 4 servos, which serve as the joints of my arm. And I also made a potentiometer modification, which is not currently on my board because that's in place of my PS2 controller, but this is what the potentiometers look like. I had about 4 of them. There's little knobs that you can turn back and forth, and that allowed me to change the positions of my servos. And then the last portion of my project was spent just working on connecting my Arduino to the Bluetooth module and my mobile device, as well as the external PS2 joystick sensors. And especially with the PS2 sensors, I installed a library for communication, which is built specifically for the PS2 controllers. And I connected them to the analog pins on my board just to be able to connect and control my robot. So throughout my project, I just overall worked extensively with servo motors as well as the Arduino IDE. I also learned about just in general how to code a lot with the Arduino, specifically in languages similar to C and C++, which is what the IDE is built in. And I didn't really have much experience with applying my coding skills to an actual project, so this project has allowed me to gain a lot of experience in that sense. And then I also ran into a lot of challenges. The first of which was assembling the robot itself. There's a lot of different small moving parts and different lengths of screws, and so I had to reassemble some parts of my project because I messed up the placements of them, which was really costly in terms of time and effort. And also it took a while to get my Bluetooth sensor as well as my PS2 controller working. There's a lot of different things that could have gone wrong with it, and a lot of different parts of the code that weren't working, as well as wiring and things like that. So it definitely took a while to get that up and running, and a lot of troubleshooting. And in terms of troubleshooting, I feel like I improved my troubleshooting skills from the amount of issues I ran into. It's just been really helpful in terms of debugging things and getting my project working. So overall, attending BSc has allowed me to develop my engineering skills, and there's lots of things I learned in this program that will definitely be valuable for future endeavors. Thank you.